En voyant les deux, je pense que j'aurais choisi celle-là aussi. C'est malheureux pour son père, mais... Le truc, c'est que... Dans cette réalité-là... Tout le monde est triste et le père est mort, tu vois. Mais dans l'autre réalité, c'est genre tout le monde est triste, mais... La tristesse continue, ne s'arrête jamais, en fait. Donc... Je pense qu'il vaut mieux celle-là, quoi. Mais bon.
Let's look at the big board and see all our pieces in the puzzle so far.
L'autre, c'est de la souffrance sans fin, quoi.
Getting lost in all this shit.
I'm so sorry, William. It's not fair you had to die twice.
Je pense que j'aurais choisi pareil, personnellement.
I should have known just erasing that phone message wouldn't stop the police.
Oui, mais ça, on s'en doute un peu.
This butterfly photo seems like a million years ago. How much time have I altered since?
Et au moins, le père souffre plus. Ouais, c'est ça. Tout le monde souffrait, là. C'était intenable, hein, franchement, cette vie. C'était bien horrible.
That snow dough always makes me think of William and Chloe. So close yet so far away.
Ah merde, c'est la suite.
We have to do 3 main things.
Right. What things?
1. Decipher Frank's logbook. 2. Get Nathan's phone to find out where he's been during the Vortex Club parties with Kate and Rachel. And see whatever hidden shit he's got in his messages.
3. Beat Stepdouche down until he tells us about Frank, Nathan, and the dark room. And I do have a gun now.
Keep it in your pants. We'll have to do this on our own.
Dude, at least let me kick his ass, then rewind. Fine, whatevs. It's your power.
Which I can't waste on shit like that. Or Blackwell would be in big trouble.
You didn't even let me take that money to pay Frank off.
And I'm glad. We have to be better than that.
I know. You should get busy in the garage to see what dirt you can dig up. I'm gonna cyberstalk some names and see where that leads. Or to who. And be careful of Stepcrack. He's not gonna be a happy camper after you reamed him yesterday and Mom is giving him the boot.
I'm on it, partner. I can't abuse this level of my rewind power. It's way too dangerous, and I need to navigate the present without messing up the past. It's amazing how innocent our drawings were, compared to what we're doing now.
Fuck.
That's my Chloe. Damn. This is a serious expose on the Prescotts. Finally. Welcome back to the real world, Max.
Ouais.
Even Holmes and Watson didn't use every piece of information.
Putain, un poil de ménage quand même, s'il vous plaît. Un poil.
Staying up all night is the best excuse to drink lots of coffee.
Ah mais c'était ça là? Pourquoi il y avait... On aurait dit qu'il y avait une patte d'oiseau qui tenait... Ah c'était la canette en fait? Ouais c'est chelou. Bon du coup on a plein de messages. Allez c'est reparti. Salut Max, j'ai encore merdé. Désolé d'avoir pété un câble aujourd'hui, de t'avoir fait la misère comme ça. Tu es ma meilleure amie. Je comprends Chloé, tu traverses une période difficile comme nous tous. Et puis t'inquiète, j'ai jeté ton bonnet par la fenêtre et j'ai rembobiné. Ok, tu as droit à un emoji, mais il faut qu'on fasse le plein de clopes, café et bonbons pour faire nuit blanche. On doit passer en mode détective pour Rachel et Kate. Excellent, cher Watson. Au boulot, les neurones. Je vais sortir mon bonnet de matière grise. Je passe te prendre. Super, je serai prête. Exo, exo. Et c'était pas un emoji. Allez. Juliette. Attends, quoi? Et Mac, j'espère que tu vas bien malgré tout. Tu dois être bien occupé, mais n'hésite pas à m'appeler quand tu veux. Hey Juliette, t'es occupée? Pas le temps d'être occupé, tu m'envoies jamais de texto. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Tellement de choses. Je voulais juste savoir si tu avais déjà entendu parler d'un certain Franck qui habite dans un camping-car un peu partout à Arcadia Bay. Tu parles de la caravane toute défoncée, j'ai entendu dire qu'il était accro à la meth, c'est tout. Pourquoi tu mènes l'enquête sans moi? Non, je m'ennuie juste. On se parle bientôt, merci. Ok, mais pas question de faire des cachotteries à Juliette Watson, grande reporter. Allô? Juliette? Mais c'est la meuf de la classe? Genre on est potes avec elle là, comme ça. C'était pas le cas avant, enfin... On comprend pas. On dirait que c'est une super pote là. Justine. Pardon, mon tel était dans mon sac. Salut Justine, t'es occupé. Maximax occupé à fumer, il se passe quoi? Tu connais Frank Bowers? Drogue, c'est tout? Demande à Nathan, je crois qu'il le connaît. Ok, je vais faire ça, merci Justine. Pourquoi? Kate. Max, comment ça va? J'espère que tu peux toujours passer me voir cette semaine. J'ai des choses importantes à te dire. Mais sûr que oui, rien ne pourra m'en empêcher. Tu me manques et ma lapine aussi. Tu me manques à tous et à ta lapine aussi. Et tu es une amie géniale. Merci du fond du cœur. J'ai trop hâte de te voir. Ok, ça c'est bon. Maman. Ça c'est bon. Ok, Maxine, qu'est-ce qui se trafique avec le temps là-haut? Est-ce qu'ils font des expériences militaires? Tu es en plein dans l'œil du cyclone. Et j'ai même laissé mourir ma plante Lisa. Oh, je suis désolé ma chérie, tu devras en acheter une autre. Une plante m'a suffi, je retourne à mes livres maintenant, à bientôt. Warren. Merci de m'avoir aidé pour mon expérience, Dr. Max Stein. J'ai pas aidé du tout. Assez pour que j'obtienne un A- au lieu du B+, tant redouté. Ok, c'est tout grâce à moi, bravo moi, je suis génial. Mais bon, A-, c'est pas si génial que ça. A- quoi? Je pense que tu survivras. On va dire ça à mes parents, je dois y aller. L'appel de la nature. Merci, ça me fait plaisir de l'apprendre. Ok. Bon, super. Donc là, il faut trouver un nid et un cairn. Enfin, on dirait un cairn, ouais. Ça doit être ça.
I wish I could tell Chloe how much William cared about her.
Moi, je le raconterai. Hein.
Yes, Chloe Price was here.
Moi, je lui dirai l'histoire. Ah, c'est bon, elle est au courant de tout déjà. Tu peux lui dire.
Oh no, that poor little bird has been trapped in here.
Et tu vois là, cet oiseau, putain, mais un truc de fou. Il est où? Ah.
Last time I wanted to splash some water on my face. My whole life changed.
Ah, je pense elle aurait dit, ah, retourne dans le passé et mets l'autre, hein, j'en suis sûr.
Oh,
Mais
that
bon.
blue dye makes me so happy. It means the real Chloe is back with me.
Mais bon, je pense qu'elle peut l'entendre quand même, tu vois. Si on l'effraie, il va faire quoi, lui? Il y a sûrement une photo à prendre.
It's such a warm, beautiful day. How could a killer storm just pop up tomorrow?
Allez, dégage.
Fly, be free.
Be free. Be free.
This might be the last poster advertising Arcadia Bay after tomorrow night.
L'écologie, bien sûr. Hop. Voilà. On va aller fouiller la chambre des parents, bien sûr.
Since David
Ah.
might be in there, I better mosey along for a change.
Ah, mais il s'est pas fait virer de la maison, lui? Je croyais. Je croyais qu'elle avait foutu dehors, là. Joyce. Oh, mais il est là. Allez, dégage. Trop de balles. Fous le camp. Le psychopathe, là.
You won this battle, Max. You broke up my family.
Ouais,
I salute you.
dégage.
David, I didn't try to hurt you. Ever. But I won't let anybody hurt Chloe.
Too late, isn't it? You just better be damn careful with her. Don't you wander off into the dark.
Va à l'hôtel, mec. Le mec, il met des caméras dans sa maison, quoi. Espionner les gens. Il veut mettre des caméras dans le lycée. Il me dénonce parce que j'ai fumé de l'herbe. Je me fais renvoyer à cause de ce con, là. Yo, Max, t'as pas de coulé, m'a envoyé un texto pour me dire que c'est mort entre nous. Elle est canon, je comprends. Ah, ok. Chloé, t'as vraiment envoyé un texto? C'est pas moi qui l'ai contacté. Au moins, on va toujours faire les singes ensemble. À moins que tu préfères traîner avec Chloé. Ou on pourrait y aller tous ensemble. Ah non, je peux supporter qu'un de vous à la fois. Cool. Je te file à plus. Yes. Ok, ok.
I helped Joyce lose William and now David.
Ouais, bah c'est bon, elle a rien perdu. C'était un con.
Yep, locked from the other side.
Ok, on fait le tour, on connaît la maison.
David isn't any different from me when he's looking at those family photos. Looks like David already booked a room. Those poor whales are like beached angels. What is going on here?
Ben j'en sais rien ce qui se passe.
Looks like they're back on the road to Paris.
Ouais.
Ouch.
David, je ne veux pas que tu sois là quand j'entrerai du travail, je suis sérieuse. Ok, Joyce. Jusque là, tout va bien.
Did I actually cause that clock to stop?
Ah ouais.
Oh, there's a ladybug stuck in the dials.
What? Genre.
Time keeps on ticking.
Il y avait un truc avec une coccinelle? Apparemment pas. Par contre, j'ai reçu un texto encore. Oh là là, mais pourquoi on ne reçoit pas le... Bonjour ma chérie, je viens de recevoir un texto bizarre qui me dit que ma fouineuse de fille ferait mieux d'arrêter de s'occuper des affaires des autres et devrait faire gaffe. C'est une sorte de blague, c'est un numéro bloqué. Oh, je suis vraiment désolé, un idiot de ma classe a pensé que ce serait drôle. Eh bien ça ne l'est pas, je n'aime pas que des étrangers aient mon numéro, d'accord? Moi non plus, désolé. Je fais juste mon devoir de papa, je sais que ça a été une semaine difficile pour toi. Elle est presque terminée, je vous appelle plus tard, je t'aime. Ok. Bon, on a réparé l'horloge, incroyable.
My butterfly sketch doesn't exist in this timeline. Like William.
En effet.
Max the Time Bandit strikes again. To think this all started with my vision of a tornado.
C'est vrai.
Somehow I existed in this whole other reality. But I don't know what happened. The more I use my power, the more I see how little control I have over what happens. Now Max Caulfield exists in 2 or maybe 3 different realities. How can I have a destiny? If these alternate lives exist, I hate the thought of William and Joyce finding Chloe like that. Thinking about all these lifelines almost makes my head hurt worse than the rewind.
Donc du coup, après ce jeu, il y a Life is Strange Before the Storm. Et après, je crois qu'il y a Life is Strange 2. Et après, je crois les mecs qui ont fait le jeu ont fait Tell Me Why. Qui a rien à voir, hein, je crois. C'est un autre jeu. Donc sur Life is Strange, il y a 3 jeux en fait. Donc ça va, il y a de quoi faire. Niveau action, on est bien là. Hein. Ça va. Va falloir aller dehors parce que... Il y a un truc là. Ou je vois à travers les murs. Ah, je vois à travers les murs, très bien.
Joyce must be so upset. Are you helping anybody, Max?
Mais pourquoi elle s'en veut? Arrête de t'en vouloir. C'est bon, on essaie de faire les meilleurs choix pour l'instant, donc... Putain, si j'avais fait les pires choix, je pourrais comprendre, mais là, ça va quand même. Franchement, David, c'est un connard. Vraiment.
William never finished painting that wall.
Alors, je suis sûr qu'au final, on va apprendre qu'il a un bon fond et qu'il a ses raisons, mais pour l'instant, c'est juste un connard, en fait. Donc, faut arrêter de s'en vouloir pour rien, là. La balançoire, nanana. Ok, il y a rien dans le jardin.
Poor birds. I guess David wasn't in the mood to clean up.
Alors, est-ce qu'il y a un nid quelque part à prendre en photo? J'ai pas l'impression. Hein. C'était quoi l'autre? Il y avait le nid et le cairn. Pas... Bon, allons dans l'atelier du psychopathe.
It looks like David finished his car repairs. Maybe there's some new clues around.
Ah ouais, on va chercher. Le pistolet déjà, leur atelier d'armes. Oh, flyers.
I wonder if David is going to the party.
Bah, espérons que non.
What the hell did David do for Nathan? And what did his dad do for David?
Monsieur Madsen, merci de votre aide envers Nathan. J'apprécie votre geste cordialement, Sean Prescott. Ok, donc ça déjà c'est pas rassurant comme message. Leur atelier d'armes.
Either Chloe stole another gun, or David is out there armed.
Ouais, parce que le pistolet il est là, il est reposé celui qu'elle avait. Ok.
Oh, jeez. David is packing up wedding stuff too. Oh, that makes me sad. It was so incredible to see William again. I wish Chloe could too. There's more to David Madsen than meets the eye. He should finish this letter to Joyce.
Alors Joyce, tu sais que je ne suis pas toujours très doué pour m'expliquer ou expliquer ma façon d'agir. Tout ce que je sais, c'est que personne ne m'a jamais compris comme toi. Je ne vous ferai jamais de mal ni à toi ni à Chloé. Ma mission prioritaire est de prendre soin de ma famille. D'accord, j'ai dépassé les limites avec ma surveillance et mes suspicions. Je suis vraiment désolé et j'en ai honte. Mais il se passe des choses étranges à Arcadia Bay, des choses dont je ne t'ai jamais parlé. Tu es ma femme, ma partenaire et on ne devrait pas avoir de secret. Je voulais tout te dire mais j'avais besoin de plus de preuves. Au lieu de ça, une étudiante a manqué de se suicider sur mon campus. Je ne peux plus remettre les pieds dans mon foyer et ma belle-fille me déteste. Je t'en prie. Ok. Ok. Bon, il est sur la bonne voie en tout cas, là. La voie de la rédemption, on va dire. Allez. On va lui laisser le bénéfice du doute.
Should I have signed the petition? Blackwell sure isn't safe and private anymore.
Oui, mais on a bien fait de signer. Y a pas de ça, y a pas de problème.
Surveillance cameras at Pan Estates? David must be working for the Prescotts too.
Ah, c'est pour ça qu'il a eu le petit mot de remerciement du père de Nathan, je pense. Ok.
Whoa, that is a serious padlock on that locker. Hey David, what you hiding?
Ok, on va essayer de l'ouvrir ça après. Le nid.
Oh, look at the baby blue jay eggs in the nest. I better move his plank if I want to take the shot. This plank is good for nest protection, but bad for a nest photo. Excuse me, just one picture, please.
Ok, le fait d'avoir bougé la planche, ça a déclenché un truc.
Another photo from my Arcadia Bay wildlife series.
Je sais pas si c'est une bonne idée du coup d'avoir déplacé la planche. Donc Kern et deux queues qui font un cœur. Ouais.
Max, you better put that plank back to protect the nest.
Ok.
Oh, thank you. Sleep tight, my eggy eggs.
Ok, ok. On remet comme c'était, c'est bon. On sait jamais ce que ça peut changer. On va pas déconner avec ça. Bon, on va déverrouiller la porte. C'est bon. On se croit dans Resident Evil quoi. Déverrouiller les portes. Ça, les réserves de bouffe. Bon, il reste plus que le cadenas du coup. Moi je dirais 7-1, 7-1. 7-1, 7-1.
Yes, I knew that number would be important.
Ah, j'ai même pas triché, sérieux. Ah, je suis trop fort. Medium. Le mentaliste, c'est moi.
Oh, maps, notes, coordinates, photos of Kate, Nathan. Yes.
Je me rappelle d'hier, en fait, d'avoir vu ce truc-là, en fait, sur un cadenas. C'est beau, hein. Moi et mon cerveau, j'ai... Putain, je suis tellement fier de moi. Faudra que je le note sur un calendrier, ça. Incroyable. C'est quoi, ça? What? Des latitudes et des longitudes. Qu'est-ce qui... C'est quoi cette merde? Ah, même ça, il l'a pris en photo. Mais il est partout, le mec. Je sais pas, c'est la voiture de qui, ça? Merde. Ouais. Bon.
Score. Back to Chloe now.
Bah, ça nous avance pas plus que ça, hein.
It's amazing how much drama this living room has seen.
On l'avait vu quand il était en train de frapper l'autre dans le parking. Je me souviens quand elle s'était partie de la piscine. Mais je me souviens pas, ouais. Ça, je me souvenais pas, tu vois. Il est partout, le mec, en fait.
Yo, Chloe! Are you ready yet? I have to get back to my dorm.
Are we happy?
Very happy. I hit the secret file jackpot. Kate, Nathan, and Rachel. Plus some location coordinates. David is like a one-man surveillance army. Now let's get the hell out of here before we get busted. But I absolutely have to go see Kate in the hospital right now. I want to find out how she's doing.
Oh, elle s'est pas plaint, l'autre. Elle a pas dit, oh non, tu préfères ton ami à moi. Ça va. Elle a pas fait la relou pour une fois. On l'avait vu quand elles se sont barrées, ouais. On le voit vite fait qui se ramène à la toute fin. D'accord.
This is definitely Kate's floor.
Ok, ok.
Hospitals always freak me out.
I hear you. But imagine how Kate feels. I'm so glad I get to see her again. I hope it's not too weird for her.
No, she'll be stoked to see you. Who wouldn't be?
This be it. I'm a little nervous.
Just go in there and be your friend. I'll wait out here so you can chill by yourselves. I was a total dick for blowing a fuse when you answered Kate's
Ah,
call
ben
the other
voilà,
day.
quand même.
Good thing you ignored me. I had no idea what shit she was going through. And you saved her. Like me. I'm sorry.
Thanks, Chloe. But don't be sorry. We're all on the same team.
Team Max. Let Kate know we're gonna string Nathan up by his balls then.
Oh, yes. I'm on it.
Max,
Kate.
I thought I'd never see you again. I feel so ridiculous. I'm so sorry.
Kate, listen to me. You have nothing to be sorry about. Other people do. You do not know how happy I am to see you. You look awesome.
Ah, superbe, j'irai pas jusque-là quand même.
Is it
Mais-
a stupid question if I ask how you're doing?
Now that you're here, I'm doing even better. I'm so grateful to you for coming up to the roof to talk me down. Max, I felt so lost and alone. When I saw how much you cared, how hard you were trying, you made me realize I wasn't alone. Thank you.
Kate, there are so many people who love you and want to help you.
I know. You should see all the letters and postcards. I gave most of the flowers to other patients here because they need them more than me. I'm keeping the balloons, though. One of the nurses gave me some pen and paper so I could do some drawings.
Ah, c'est joli.
I
Hein.
love your illustrations.
They got kind of dark there for a while, but I have an idea for a new children's book about bullying. I was thinking of having some photographs in there, too.
I hope that's a subtle hint that you'll let me take the photographs for the book.
Was that subtle? You better take the pictures, Max. I'm going to be here for another day until my family comes out to visit.
How are they treating you?
Like they need to protect me forever. They're so upset, and I know they feel guilty even though they didn't do anything. I was surprised how many students from Blackwell wrote me. Daniel, Mr. Jefferson, even Victoria wrote me a very sweet note. And I believe she was being real.
Je suis
Me
pas sûr.
too. I'm glad you believe again, Kate.
I'm working on it, Max. I just pray I can get this drawing right.
Putain, Victoria qui s'excuse, ça c'est vraiment le... Oh là là, quelle angoisse. Non, on va pas quitter l'hôpital, on n'est pas comme ça quand même, on va faire le tour.
Good to see that Kate is still working on her book report. Oh, I love Kate's happy rainbow flock. That is so good to know that Kate is drawing again. Those are nice flowers. And from Taylor? Wow, props to her.
Tout le monde l'aime maintenant. Tout le monde voulait qu'elle crève, mais maintenant... Oh, oh.
If this gets Kate through the night, so be it.
Et Jesus. Raptor Jesus.
I don't think get well is quite apropos.
Ouais, franchement, je pourrais. Hein. J'ai l'impression qu'elle a le même talent que moi en
That is
dessin.
so sweet. Even Victoria signed. But not Nathan. Victoria Chase might be Queen Bitch, but she's not evil.
Kate, je sais que tu me détestes et tu as bien raison, mais je veux tellement revoir ton sourire à nouveau. Dis-moi si je peux faire quoi que ce soit. Des bises. Vic. Mais va te faire foutre. Genre.
Principal Wells knows how to step it up when he wants to.
Cher Kate, je tenais à vous souhaiter mes meilleurs vœux de rétablissement et vous dire que toute l'académie Blackwell prie pour vous dans l'attente de votre retour. Les étudiants et les professeurs ont organisé une mobilisation en votre honneur et je n'ai jamais vu le corps pédagogique et la communauté montrer autant de soutien à notre étudiant dans l'histoire de Blackwell. Mes mots ne doivent pas signifier grand-chose compte tenu des circonstances, mais il est important que vous sachiez que nous pensons tous beaucoup à vous. N'hésitez surtout pas à me contacter en cas de besoin, cordialement proviseur et ouais, voilà, blablabla. Ouais.
Thank you, sisters. You really saved Kate.
Yes. Ça c'est vrai. Ça c'est vrai ça c'est vrai. Au fait, tu as vu les dessins que j'ai postés? Eh oui mec, j'ai même liké. Ah bah ça, tu dessines bien franchement. C'est un autre level que le Scriblio de l'époque. Hein. Ça n'a
It's
rien à voir.
amazing to just sit here quiet with Kate again. I don't think I'll ever know how much destiny I'm changing. But whoever said we only have a single fate? Time travel is such a mindfuck.
Mindfuck. Non, franchement, respect les dessins, mec. Hein. Ouais, non, mais après, c'est à la souris, il faut se dépêcher, machin, ça n'a rien à voir, quoi. Avec un crayon et un stylo dans la main sur du papier, c'est vrai que t'as... Moi, ça serait aussi dégueulasse, personnellement, mais je comprends que pour d'autres personnes, ce soit plus simple, quand même, hein, de faire des trucs plus stylés, quoi.
Kate, it is so good to hang out with you again.
Max, I owe you so much. And I can tell you want to talk to me about something.
Alors, on va parler de... Kat. Voilà, Kat.
I always want to talk to
De
you.
toi, en fait.
We missed our tea session this week.
That was so not cool. We need to plan like a tea shop tour of Portland.
Oh, yes. And you could bring Warren along, too.
Oui.
What do you think of Warren?
Oh, smart and silly. He's got such a good heart. And he's a cutie pie. You know he likes you.
I'm going to the drive-in with him, so we'll see. With everything that's going on, a date seems weird.
No, you deserve that.
Kate Marsh, matchmaker. I'm glad somebody is looking out for my love life.
Even angels need angels, Max.
I want you to know I'm this close to getting all the info I need about Nathan.
Nathan Prescott has to pay for what he did. And we have to stop him from hurting anybody else.
I wish I could have gotten his ass kicked out of Blackwell.
Me too. But his dad would never let that happen. I thought I had a tough family. So what is going on with him now?
I think his family is totally protecting him. Or worse.
I never say this about people. But Max, there's something evil about the Prescotts. They have something to do with death.
We're going to stop him. I just have to find Nathan's room number, get inside, and get the clues I need.
Max, please let me help. I can get the number, and I'll text it to you, okay?
Of course, Kate. I can't do this without you.
Now it's time for Nathan to watch out for us.
I saw Victoria's letter. How does that make you feel?
Max, I know Victoria can be not nice, but I do believe in forgiveness and redemption. I might be naive, but I feel her struggle.
I wasn't so nice to her this week either, when I took a picture of her covered in paint. It was not a proud moment.
We all have our moments. Why do you think she acts so mean?
C'est une connasse. Ah ouais, c'est une connasse.
She's a bitch. I'm sorry, but she's wealthy, pretty, and yes, talented, so there's no reason for her to treat people like shit.
Well, there must be. If Victoria could write me such a sincere letter.
If anybody could make Victoria see the light, it would be Kate Marsh.
No. I think it will take more than that, Max.
I have to get back to our mission. You don't know how much it means to see you again.
I do. That's why I love you, Max. Thanks for taking care of my bunny. Tell Alice I'll see her soon.
D'accord.
Thanks again for visiting me, Max.
You're welcome, Kate Marsh. I'm leaving. Bye.
Well, how is she?
She's still Kate Marsh. Thank God.
I'm glad we came to see her.
Thanks for coming with me.
Now let's go pay a visit to Nathan Prescott. That little prick is not going to be glad when he sees us.
Ça avance, notre petite enquête là.
Hey, Max. How you doing?
Oh, hi, Mr. Jefferson. I'm okay. And this is my friend Chloe.
Yo.
Chloe. Why isn't somebody as cool as you going to Blackwell?
I was way too cool for this school. It's a long story. In actual files here.
I can imagine. Max, are you sure that you're all right?
It's weird being suspended and just walking around campus.
Well, you are an adult now. This isn't prison, is it?
Not until we get orange jumpsuits.
On that note, Blackwell duty calls. Remember, I'm going to announce the winner of the Everyday Heroes contest tonight at the party, so I hope you'll be there to celebrate, even though I'm sorry you didn't enter a photo. I understand your reasons. You can't force an artist to work.
I feel like a total loser, but it's been a hard week to focus. No pun intended.
I'm proud of you for caring so much about a troubled friend, and I take hope in the fact that you have plenty of time to find your way. Just get in the habit of putting your work out there.
Thanks, Mr. Jefferson. I'll definitely be there tonight.
Me too. I'll be Max's date. You better dance with us at least once.
Nobody should have to see me dance. Plus, you don't want to watch the old hipster trying to keep up with the kids. I have some pride. Be seeing you.
Yes, you will.
Elle a flashé, ça y
Hot
est.
floor teacher.
Gross! You're out of control.
Not yet. Just wait until the rager tonight.
Shut up.
Don't be jealous because Mark Jefferson thinks I'm cool.
I am so ignoring you.
Fine. Since I'm here, I'll see if I can get some dirt from Justin. Haven't talked to him in a while.
Now that is a great plan.
Ça, il a l'air sympa le prof. Enfin, depuis le début, il a l'air
Let's see if
sympa.
I can find out where Nathan is.
Mais autant c'est lui, la pire ordure, on sait pas. Hein.
Principal Wells was so loaded the other night here.
Ouais, ça je m'en souviens. Bon, j'imagine qu'il faut trouver un cairn. Et les queues de... Ça devait être des queues d'écureuil du coup.
Justin, it's been so long since I've seen you.
Because you're way too cool for
Chloe
us
fits
young
in
bucks.
so easy with
Way
Justin.
too much shit going on, man.
Try
I
going
can
to
tell that
Blackwell.
Justin is really into Chloe.
Same.
So I hear.
Any word at all, Rachel?
Dude, I wish.
Good thing I didn't let Chloe take that money from Principal Wells.
Eh oui, bien sûr. Quoi.
She was probably
C'est beau ça.
Yeah, she had the sick nugs.
True that. Okay, I have to bounce.
Ah, il y a un chibre. C'est un dessin Scriblio ça. Putain, je reconnais ça. C'est mon dessin. Putain, les voleurs quoi. Oh. Mon beau dessin.
Poor Daniel. Looks like he needs a hug. Hey, Daniel. You look bummed out. Are you alright?
Hola, Max. I just figured out that my photos basically suck. I'm a wannabe artist.
T'as un joli t-shirt par contre.
You're not here to be a photographer. That's my gig. Look at that sketch you did of me. Incredible. And that's your art. your gift.
I do feel better now. You are good, Max.
Alors, Nathan.
By the way, have you seen Nathan Prescott?
You mean lately?
Like, anytime today?
I saw Jefferson talking with Nathan a little while ago, but I try to stay out of his way. I have enough assholes to deal with here.
Have you talked to anybody about what happened with Kate?
I don't talk to anyone, Max. But I did actually have a nice talk with Brooke. She couldn't stop talking about how brave you were on
Oh.
that roof.
Brooke,
I don't
qui dit
think
ça?
doing the right thing is brave, but I appreciate what she means. The most important thing is that Kate gets better and gets justice.
I hear that, Max. She's the sweetest, most genuine person I've ever met. I don't mind getting picked on by Blackwell bro-holes, but don't fuck with Kate.
I like this revolutionary Daniel DaCosta.
Only if I can start the revolution from my sketchbook, Max.
Are you going to the End of the World party tonight?
It will be if I go, man. People here push me into lockers, not dance floors.
Ça marche, mec. Bah écoute, bonne journée à toi, Katsu. Et peut-être à plus tard. Ciao, ciao. Va à la soirée. Oui.
That's exactly why you should go to that party. We have to stand up to these Blackwell bullies for Kate. You won't be alone, Daniel.
Not with you to back me up, Max. Damn it. I will go to the party like it is the end of the world. Okay, maybe I won't go, but... No, I won't do that, but I'll go.
Let's talk later. Okay, Daniel?
Bah oui, il mérite. Il est gentil, lui. Si j'arrive à avoir internet, je te reprends dans la salle, mais ça m'étonnerait que je capte le wifi de là-bas. D'accord, ça roule.
Thanks again for making me feel better and pushing me to the party. Let's chat later, Max.
Alors lui, Zachary, non? Ouais, Zachary.
Enjoy the big game, Zachary. I hope it's not the last.
Le Cairn, il est là. Le Cairn.
Okay, where did these rocks come from? This is too Blair Witch for me.
Tchouk tchouk.
One photo. For posterity.
Zozai. Ensuite, on a quoi? Les deux queues qui forment un cœur, les traces de pas. Ok.
That's so
Brooke.
ironic that Warren asked Max to the drive-in.
Oh mon pote.
How would you like a partner for a quick photo op?
It's not like I don't own all
Faut
the
trouver un
original
autre écureuil. Il est là l'autre.
Did you think you could hide from Max Caulfield, Squirrel Paparazzi?
I had to
Let's
clean
see if I can
up
find
my
out where Nathan is.
birds today. Sad.
Il faut que je rapproche les deux écureuils. Comment je fais ça?
I think everything is changing here.
As a scientist, I'm back.
How would you like a partner for a quick photo op?
Bon, c'est
That's so
peut-être un.
ironic that Warren asked Max to the drive-in.
Brooke doesn't look happy that I'm going ape with Warren. Hey, Brooke, how are you?
I'm here as usual. By the way, thanks for helping Kate down. Are you okay?
I need to find Nathan. Have you seen him around?
Ask Warren. I mean, you're going to the movies with him and everything.
Okay, Brooke. But right now I'm trying to find Nathan.
Warren's not good enough for you?
Oh, mais qu'est-ce qu'elle a, elle?
Okay. I saw Nathan pissed and walking off campus earlier. Good luck getting that date, Max.
Elle est sérieuse là? Attends, attends, attends.
I have to go. Talk later, Brooke. Good. Nathan is not around. I should go back to Chloe.
Attends, attends. Déjà, on va régler cette histoire là.
Hey, Brooke.
I'm here.
I might feel better taking your drone for a quick flight.
Miss Grant finally gave up and let me fly her again. But you're going to the drive-in with Warren, so you don't have time to fly my drone.
Really? I can't fly your drone because I'm going to see ape movies with Warren?
You are perceptive, Max. Now, excuse me. My drone needs me. Talk to you later, Max.
Elle dégoûte un peu, elle, quand même.
Hey, Brooke.
I'm here.
Putain, la jalousie, quoi.
I can't get my limited brain around that eclipse and the beached whales. I was hoping the science department had some ideas.
Warren and I are supposed to compare notes and theories this weekend.
Oh, he asked you?
You know, science geeks stick together. But honestly, neither of us can explain this phenomenon. It's pretty scary.
I need to...
Ask.
Ah, vas-y. Allez, mets-moi mon vent, c'est bon.
Am I...
Miss,
Really?
you are
Ouais, c'est bon. Alors, eux, peuvent...
Samuel misses his squirrels.
lui peut m'aider avec les écureuils, c'est sûr.
That's cool to see that Samuel's not alone for once.
How are you doing, Max? Been a tough week. I know.
Yes, it has, Samuel. How are you?
Sad and confused like everybody else in Arcadia Bay. You look like you have a lot of questions, too.
I definitely have questions about what's happening to the animals in Arcadia Bay.
Oh, many do. These poor creatures have no choice in what happens to them.
Well, I'm glad to see your squirrels are still healthy and happy on the campus.
Me too. If something happened to them... Oh,
Not as long as you're here to take care of them, Samuel.
the only thing that calms them is food. Lots of food. Which reminds me that I have to feed them now.
Cool. C'était ça?
How would you like a partner for a quick photo op?
Il vient pas l'autre?
Did you think you could hide from Max Caulfield, Squirrel Paparazzi?
Bah viens manger.
Get that food in your belly.
Feel like the sky wants to yell at us.
Ah.
Two cute little squirrels posing for me? If you insist.
On les a eus, c'est bon. Du coup, trace de pas et une baleine.
Sorry to bother you again, Samuel.
There's no bother here, Max. Oh,
How can anybody explain all those poor beached whales?
my dad was a fisherman, and he'd take me out to hear the whales sing. Now they just cry.
Do you think this is some kind of eco-disaster, or...
I think it's more than that. Somebody is causing all this to happen.
You think so, Samuel?
You and Arcadia Bay are connected by time and tide. So, next time I have a question, I'm coming to you.
What do you think about all those dying birds?
Samuel had to bury dozens near the Tabanga.
Is that cool with the Chabanga?
We'll find out if the souls of the bird move on. Not that we can prove it.
It's so ominous.
Unless it's fate, then it doesn't matter.
More questions than answers.
Samuel is always here to talk.
Have you seen Nathan Prescott around?
I try not to.
Whoa. You really don't like Nathan. How come?
Samuel likes everybody. Until they give him a reason not to. He did.
Well, okay. Enough said. You know a lot of Blackwell secrets, so I thought you could help me.
Max, I'm a custodian, not a psychic. I can only help by warning you to be careful.
I actually just talked to Kate Marsh in the hospital. She's doing so much better.
Because of you, Max. That was quite a rescue.
Samuel, you're the eyes of Blackwell. Did you know Kate was being bullied?
Most everyone makes fun of me. But Samuel warned them about Kate. I hate bullies, Max.
I believe you.
Kate just needed some more helpful spirits like her friend Max. I hope she finds them now.
Do you ever talk with David Madsen?
He talks to me. I listen.
That's how David operates.
He sees things, not people. But I think he sees you, Max.
Why do you say that?
Because you both see with cameras.
I think you have better vision than both of us.
No, Max. I just look at everything from a different angle.
I still have a million questions about what's happening to Arcadia Bay.
That must be why Miss Gant says you're one of her favorite students at Blackwell.
I keep thinking that Rachel Amber has a few answers. If we can find her.
If Rachel wants to be found.
Do you think she's alive?
She'll always be alive in our hearts. Sometimes that's all we have left.
But...
Max, all I can tell you is to stay on your path and you'll find what you're looking for. Rachel Amber is waiting too.
Even though Miss Grant likes me, I have zero science skills to explain that eclipse.
As I was just saying to her, that's because science has no explanation. No offense to Miss Grant here, but this is just the beginning.
Beginning of what?
Oh, I don't believe anything ever ends. Especially time. That's why I can sense something bigger is coming to Arcadia Bay. And Max, I don't like it at all.
I'd rather be in her class than the Vortex Club.
Yes, you would. Rachel saw right through them.
She's not the only one.
Nobody should be trapped in the Vortex Club. Get out now, Max, while time is on your side.
I'm sorry. I better get going now.
Il était bavard lui, hein, dis donc.
All we are is dust in the wind.
Hello, Max.
Hello,
Thanks again,
Mrs.
Mrs.
Grant.
Grant looks interested in whatever Samuel's saying. Hi, Miss Grant.
Max, you always show up when I'm talking about you. I'm still bragging about you and the other students making Blackwell surveillance free.
I was hoping you could explain some of these crazy things happening in Arcadia Bay.
If I could, I'd be collecting my Nobel Prize in Science today. I haven't been able to wrap my mind around that eclipse, much less the snow in Wales.
I think this is beyond science.
Nothing is beyond science except for our lack of knowledge. We may never know why, but that doesn't change reality.
I am worried about reality. I feel like it's changing right in front of us.
You and Samuel both. We were talking about that before you came over. Our planet is changing, but it's not mystic. It's erosion.
You think that's why all these animals are dying here?
Well, our shoreline has been receding, not to mention the daily contamination of the ocean. That's all you need to kill off sea and wildlife here, unless you know something I don't.
What about wormholes and chaos theory?
like time travel stuff.
The only wormholes in Arcadia Bay are underground, and chaos theory is just that. But if this is about time travel, sign me up.
Would you really change time?
Not after reading that Bradbury story, A Sound of Thunder. I won't give it away, but it involves dinosaurs and butterflies. Time is like a thread, Max. One tug and it all can unravel.
I was looking for Nathan Prescott, and I thought he might be in your class.
I'm surprised, Max. I didn't think you and Nathan were exactly friends.
On n'est pas potes, non?
No way. I just have to, ask him a question.
I saw him leaving campus looking angrier than usual. But to be honest, Max, Nathan hasn't been too well lately. You might know more about that than me.
Too much.
I can tell. You look like you have more than a question on your mind. Maybe asking Nathan isn't such a good idea right now. You hear me, Max?
I'm sorry, Miss Grant. I have to get going. I'll see you later.
It's always good talking to you, Max.
On a débloqué un truc là, mais je sais pas trop ce que c'est.
Hello, Max.
Hello.
Hi, Miss Grant.
Max, you...
I don't think surveillance would have helped Kate Marsh.
Who needs surveillance when we have Maxine Caulfield? You did a wonderful thing. And now we have to make sure Kate gets the help she needs. Do you need to talk to a counselor?
Blackwell Academy needs the help. There's something terrible going on here. You see it, right?
This week hasn't been Blackwell's finest hour. But me and some faculty members won't rest until all the students here feel safe, not bullied.
Kate was drugged at the Vortex Club party and bullied by them until she ended up on the roof. How do you stop that?
Shut down that damn Vortex Club for a start. I don't mean to get riled up, but that party should have been postponed. It's extremely tasteless given what happened with Kate.
Do the Prescotts have anything to do with the Vortex Club? I mean, they don't get all their money from car washes.
No, they don't. But membership has its privileges. Especially when your father is Blackwell's biggest sponsor. This elitist nonsense has no place here.
You're right. I just wish this could be the school that I dreamed about before I came here.
I hear you, Max. I love seeing you and Warren and all my students at your best here. But you're all too young to be so cynical. But you truly give me hope.
I was
On va lui faire les... Ça c'est bon, on l'a fait.
There must be a scientific explanation, right?
When my friends at NASA tell me they can't explain a solar eclipse without a single theory as to how or why, maybe it's time to get worried. Like they are.
I am worried about reality. I feel like...
You and Sam...
So, you don't think this could be some kind of prophecy or something?
Max, you know how fascinated I am by Arcadia Bay legends. But I haven't found any apocalyptic signs yet. Unless you count those end-of-the-world posters. Unless you know something I don't.
I wonder if the Tobanga knows more than anybody here.
Oh, Max, nobody even knows who brought the Tobanga here. It was likely stolen from the South Pacific by local fishermen. But I know what you're saying. There's a lot of energy here.
I was looking...
I'm surprised. I can tell.
Là on débloque un truc.
It's...
Je sais pas trop à quoi ça sert.
Samuel misses his squirrel. All we are is dust in the wind.
Elle s'en bat les steaks, je pense.
Talk to you later, Max.
Ouais. Elle s'en bat les steaks, la jalouse. Ah merde, fallait que je lui parle. Je l'avais oublié.
coast is clear. It would be so cool if you and me were going to school here together.
But now you can have Mr. Jefferson all to yourself.
Ah, you suck. Now let's get into Blackwell Ninja mode.